everyone, this is Roianne.Buystedt. I'm here in Junction City at Guarantee RV, and I'm here to show you the Newmar Bay Star 3124. This is a 2019 made by the Amish people back in Indiana. It's all built like a residential unit, 16 inches on center. It's built like a home. It's insulated well. There's 4 inches in your wall, 4 inches in the floor. Got side opening doors in this one for your convenience. Everything is carpeted, all the storage right here. We have an outside TV right here. This one's got 2 slides. It's got a super wall slide, and I'll show you that on the inside. This is a super slide right here. The full slide, the whole wall comes out. This is flex steel furniture right here, residential grade furniture. It's all leather. This is all hardwoods. It's maple. We've got a nice size convection microwave oven. These 2 seats in the front turn around. This booth right here does come down, so you have extra sleeping right here. Got a space-saving door for the bathroom right here. So you can still get through the coach when it's all shut down. Slides are in. 36-degree radius shower in there and some decent storage. This also has a king-size bed in it. Nice-size bathroom, or a nice-size bedroom. Little windows up at the top right here in the bed, some nice nightstands, and you do have plug-ins right on the side of the bed. This has 3 TVs in it. TV in here, TV out above the driver and passenger side door, and then also one on the outside of the coach. This is all accent lighting right here. It's on right here so you can see this. This is a beautiful unit. Like I said, it's a residential grade build and it's insulated very well, so you can take this coach anywhere and not have to worry about it. Just give me a call if you have any questions about this. Guarantee RV. Thank you.